Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your daily achievements on the Pedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the today icon down below, which is the second option. And here, as you can see, it is set to today, but there is the month option as well. So here you can see at the top below the today section that there is your the number of steps indicated, your calorie burn, or your burned calories, your kilometer and hour of steps. Here you can see your chart indicating your 7-day average option, and basically if you swipe up you can see the average steps in the last 7 days here, and also the trends here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.